Spring is ready to bloom at Fry and Cox. Come see all the new, including these cool Robert Allen Home and Garden glazed decorative watering cans in several different sizes, and the Glazed Iron Stone Pots in at 401 South 1st Street in Muleshoe. Bring new refreshing spring colors to your property with a huge new paint accessories section at Fry and Cox, like paint brushes and rollers, paint tray liners, paint and primer starter kits, professional painting kits, paint edgers, corner painters, paint pails, paint liners, and much, much more. The first plants have arrived, including Texas sweet onions and Georgia sweet onions, with many more to come in the near future. Get the Manager's Special, which is the 16-quart Miracle-Gro Moisture Control Potting Soil Mix, only $4.99 now at Fry and Cox. Wedding shower selections for Sydney Pope and Gunnar Kerby, which will be March 24th, and make sure to sign up for one of 2 spring $500 shopping giveaways. Now at Fry and Cox, 401 South 1st Street. They're open Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. in Muleshoe, Texas.